How to manage your project directory on Closeout Pro. Welcome to our Closeout Pro tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to manage your project directory and users. Let's get started. First, all your contacts from your Procore directory will be imported into Closeout Pro once your project is synced. By default, the directory will be organized by company name, just like in Procore. However, you can customize this directory in various ways. Closeout Pro offers a hide show option, allowing you to hide contacts you don't want to include in the Closeout directory. You can hide a single contact or select multiple contacts to hide them all at once. Once a contact is hidden, the owner will not be able to see those contacts, and they will not appear in the final directory PDF created on Closeout Pro. By default, none of the contacts will be invited to Closeout Pro. To invite users, simply use the Invite button. The system has predefined roles, including company admin, user, project users, architect, owner, and subcontractor. Users assigned to subcontractor, architect, and owner roles will have view-only access, except for items assigned to them. After selecting a role, submit your choice. The system will then send an email invitation to the user, granting them access. You can also manually add a contact or user by using the Add Member option. Closeout Pro allows you to organize the directory by trade and division. You can add contacts from any company to a division or assign them to a trade based on project scopes. For example, if you need to assign a trade for drywall, simply create a drywall label under Trades, and the contact will be sorted accordingly under the Trades tab. You can assign multiple companies to one trade or vice versa. Additionally, you can edit or delete users using the Edit and Delete options on the right. This flexibility ensures your project directory is always up to date and accurate. That's how Closeout Pro helps you manage and customize your project directory easily and effectively. Thank you for watching.